come on in, have a seat. We're going to rock this again today. Yeah. So, welcome to DevOps Days, Kansas City, day 2. Yeah. What's next? Anybody go to the party last night? Yeah. Anybody have fun? That's good. Did you guys have fun at the conference yesterday? Yeah. So by show of hands, who actually lives in the KC Metro? Quite a few people. Who drove in to this conference? Actually, wow, quite a few people. Who drove over 100 miles to make it here? Wow, we've got like probably 10 people and stuff. Nice. Who flew in? We've got quite a few people that flew in too. That's awesome. So by show of hands, did you guys learn anything yesterday from someone else? That's pretty much everybody, right? Did you guys find a tool that you can use? We got by show of hands. We see some of these. How about something that you're going to do differently? Yeah? So I want to talk to you about the two most important tools that I saw yesterday. And I want you to do this for me. And I want you to practice today by telling someone thank you for something that you learned yesterday or today. And then I want you to take this back to your company next week and thank someone for helping you. It's really easy to do, and it's really easy to forget. So make sure that you're telling people thank you. That's the first tool. And the other tool is sharing. So we've shown you some Ignites and some open spaces. And what if you rethink some of your meetings when you get back to your job, your company? Maybe an hour at the end of the day on Thursday or Friday to try open spaces or to try a meetup and see what happens. You can do these meetups inside of your company. Like, I mean, how many meetings do you do that, you know, are a wasted hour? Like, maybe you get people together and you allow them to share the ideas and things that they have. My team is distributed, so we do meetups virtually over video chat, which works out pretty awesome. Again, the schedule is on paper, but you can find it online. So I'm going to walk you through today, trying to hit on the key differences from yesterday. So similar to yesterday, this morning we have some great talks lined up for you. We have raffles almost every hour throughout the day today, which is cool about day 2. For lunch, we have either ham, turkey, or roast beef. So I want you to make a decision in your head before you get in that line and move through that line quickly. You guys moved through really fast yesterday, but we just want to make sure that we're not queuing up too big there. So after lunch, we'll come back and do some more Ignites. We heard a lot of feedback about the Ignite karaoke, and it was good. So that may get pulled together because we're agile. We might do a little bit more of that today. So I'm going to need a couple volunteers for that, and we're going to need someone probably that is from Kansas City.
Sounds like a setup.
Open spaces. Wow. I heard a lot of great feedback on this yesterday. Apparently, I don't need to explain them much. It was amazing to see you guys just self-organize. We didn't really give you that much instruction, and then when I walked around, you guys had formed circles, and you started talking. And isn't that awesome? The way you usually run meetings is like this weird command control thing. Like if you give people a little bit of latitude, especially smart, intelligent people like all of you, like you're just gonna make stuff happen. So I thought that was great. Phrases that I heard as far as feedback, my two favorite, someone told me that the discussion was cathartic, that they had. Another person told me that, that what they thought was really cool was they were getting suggested solutions to problems they have instead of just like complaining, which is another magical thing. So let's keep that up today. Use that wall back there this morning and put things that you guys want to talk about. So open spaces will start after those Ignite talks, and today we're going to run until 3:20, which is earlier than yesterday. And then we're going to recap again and close things out, and then at 4 we're going to have you guys start moving out the door, because we need to be cleaned up by 5 o'clock because this is a real theater, and they have a real show tonight. You know, so that, I guess that's, we talk about production, you know, showbiz, like they're using the stage tonight for a ticketed show. Which brings me to thanking Musical Theater Heritage, or as we lovingly call them, MTH. What a wonderful staff to work with. Everyone has been so helpful and dealt with all the obsessive questions from myself and all the other organizers leading up to this event. This is new to them, just like it's new to us. This is the first technical conference they've ever had here at this theater. And if you're here in the KC Metro, or even if you're just coming in or whatever, we want you to support this theater. They do awesome stuff here, and they've an awesome staff, so please come out. I want to thank our speakers. It takes a lot of preparation and a lot of courage to get up here and share. But that's a big core value that we have is that sharing. So we really appreciate all of our speakers. So thank you guys. And now for all of you, you guys are what make this conference. Like, I hope you've made connections and learned things that are going to help you continue to grow. So thank all of you. Like, thank each other. Like. We still have a code of conduct, and we really believe in this, that we should be creating an environment where all of us can learn and grow together. So do check that out, and do let us know if anyone's violating it. And a lot of times what ends up happening is we just talk to that person and they apologize. Like, they didn't even know they did it, right? So make sure that, like, we have a good environment.
You are not in maroon t-shirt anymore. People won't be able to find you. We're all doomed.
That's by design. Heckling is awesome. Well, no, in this case, this was funny. Don't do it anymore. Yep, the internet connectivity, I think it worked out for people yesterday. If you do need to get connected in some way, we have an ops room back there, and we can find ways to get you connected. But for the most part, we want you to engage with each other. New today is we have a job board. I think it's back this way. Yep, back over here. So if you have a job that you want to put up there, go ahead and do it. If you want to get a job, you can put your name up there and stuff, and maybe somebody will contact you. Again, I want to let you know, if you're here in the Kansas City area, November 1st, we've got Michael Cote coming and talking from the Software Defined Talk podcast, so come on out. A couple people asked me for this yesterday, DevOpsKC.HerokuApp.com. This will get you signed up really easily for our Slack. And a huge thank you to our sponsors. They were awesome yesterday, and I'm sure they're going to be awesome today. So go out and see them. They're the ones that really make this conference a possibility. So, and our community sponsors too. So with that, I think we're going to do a raffle right now. So that's awesome. You guys coming on up? You going to do your randomizer? You want to switch out to the...
No. So I think we're actually doing 3 karaokes.
Oh, yeah?
I think that's the vote that came in. 3 karaoke, so We'll see how that goes. All right, so this is for the Bose SoundLink Mini 2. So I'm going to actually have you read the name.
Okay.
So it's not that I'm cheating.
Tim Burnell.
Oh, he is here. Awesome.
I did that pause thing, so all the Tims would be like, is it me, Tim?
There's only one here.
Oh, there's only one?
Yeah.
Only one.
Awesome. Yes. Congrats, man. All right, that's it.
Excellent.